10 Best Bird Pets for Beginners. Birds, with their mesmerizing colors, captivating songs, and unique personalities, make delightful companions for those venturing into the world of avian ownership. However, selecting the ideal feathered friend entails consideration of various factors such as temperament, care requirements, and compatibility with beginners. In this video, we unveil the top 10 bird species perfectly suited for novice enthusiasts, ensuring a fulfilling and rewarding avian journey. 1. Budgerigar, Melopsittacus undulatus. Commonly known as budgies or parakeets, these petite Australian natives are renowned for their playful demeanor and remarkable mimicry skills. Their manageable size and adaptability to diverse environments make them an excellent choice for first-time bird owners. 2. Cockatiel, Nymphicus hollandicus. With their endearing crest and melodious whistles, cockatiels charm their way into the hearts of bird enthusiasts. These sociable creatures thrive on interaction and readily bond with their human companions, making them an ideal choice for beginners seeking engaging avian companionship. 3. Lovebird, Agapornis spp. Lovebirds, named for their strong pair bonds and affectionate nature, are popular choices among novice bird keepers. Despite their small stature, these lively birds possess vibrant personalities and thrive in pairs or small groups, providing endless entertainment and companionship. 4. Finch, Fringillidae family. Finches, known for their harmonious chirps and colorful plumage, are low-maintenance avian companions suitable for beginners. Their sociable disposition and communal behavior make them ideal for those seeking a peaceful and harmonious avian environment. 5. Canary, Cerinus canaria. Renowned for their melodious songs and vibrant hues, canaries captivate bird enthusiasts with their enchanting presence. These solitary birds thrive in spacious cages adorned with perches and toys, providing beginners with an opportunity to appreciate their serene beauty and captivating vocalizations. 6. Quaker parrot, Myocytomonicus. Quaker parrots, also known as monk parakeets, are charismatic avian companions renowned for their inquisitive nature and remarkable intelligence. Their playful antics and ability to mimic speech make them popular choices among novice bird owners seeking interactive and entertaining companions. 7. Cockatoo, Cockatiidae family. While cockatoos require more specialized care compared to smaller bird species, their affectionate demeanor and charismatic personalities make them irresistible companions for dedicated beginners. With proper socialization and enrichment, these intelligent birds form deep bonds with their human caregivers, enriching their lives with boundless affection and companionship. 8. Parrotlet, Phorpus spp. Parrotlets, often referred to as pocket parrots, are diminutive yet spirited avian companions ideal for beginners seeking a compact yet engaging pet bird. Despite their small size, these feisty birds possess bold personalities and thrive on interaction, making them a delightful addition to any household. 9. Conure, Aratinga spp. Conures, with their vibrant plumage and playful demeanor, capture the hearts of bird enthusiasts with their exuberant personalities. These energetic birds thrive on social interaction and mental stimulation, making them well suited for beginner bird keepers seeking lively and engaging companions. 10. Finch, Taeniopygia guttata. Zebra finches, characterized by their distinctive black and white striped plumage, are charming avian companions renowned for their cheerful chirps and lively antics. Their easygoing nature and minimal care requirements make them an excellent choice for beginners seeking a delightful and low-maintenance pet bird. Embarking on the journey of avian companionship is a rewarding endeavor enriched by the presence of captivating feathered friends. By selecting one of these top 10 bird species tailored for beginners, enthusiasts can embark on a fulfilling and enriching avian journey filled with companionship, wonder, and endless joy. Whether it's the melodious songs of canaries, or the playful antics of budgies, each of these avian companions offers a unique and rewarding experience, ensuring a lifelong bond between bird and owner. Thanks for watching.